World leaders and organizations have pledged $8 billion to research, manufacture and distribute a possible vaccine and treatments for COVID-19. However, the United States has refused to contribute to the global effort. US President Donald Trump has nominated an Indian-American attorney, Sarita Komati Reddy, as federal court judge. She happens to be a prosecutor and teaches law at the Columbia Law School. The US has said that it wants to borrow a record $3 trillion in the second quarter as COVID-19 related rescue packages blow up the budget. The sum is more than 5 times the previous quarterly record set at the height of the 2008 financial crisis. Hundreds of protesters gathered at Massachusetts State House in Boston to demonstrate against the closures ordered during the COVID-19 pandemic. The demonstrators called for non-essential businesses to reopen. As preparations are there to ease the lockdown in UK, Prime Minister Boris Johnson will try to convince an anxious country to return to work by publishing guides on how to make workplaces and transportation safe in an era of social distancing. By introducing a stringent and early lockdown, Greece has managed to keep total deaths from COVID-19 below 150. However, Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis has said that the country will reopen by July 1st in the best-case scenario. Millions of Italians have been allowed back to work as Europe's longest coronavirus lockdown started easing. With factories and construction sites reopening, the government is enforcing new rules for travelling on public transportation by marking available seats on buses and subways. A French doctor claimed that the country saw its first COVID-19 patient in December, weeks before its first officially recorded case. His team revisited negative tests for coronavirus and flu of 24 patients who were admitted to hospital with respiratory symptoms in December and January. Sanitization workers were seen disinfecting Rio Favela, a town in Rio de Janeiro. More than 80 people were working in this operation.